Welcome down to Thorpe Park Resort. Let's check out the latest goings on at Hyperia. Things we will be looking at today, we can see this turn is done. We're going to get a closer look at that. There is a lot of supports going in down at the station area or around the station area, continuing what we bought you last week. Obviously this is now dropping down towards what we presume is the splash area, and enclosing on the station is also ongoing. So there's a lot going on. We're going to get some close-up shots. We'll try and get you the best shots we can. It's very difficult now. Obviously the station is up to get the shots from behind the station, but you know, we'll do our best. The view of this angle of this turn is just insane. Look at that snappy transition there. We can have thrown some ejector air time on there with the lap bars. That is going to be something else. So we talk about track elements and turns, and that is another incredible style turn from left to right. Absolutely incredible. That is going to be something else. Now we did the wide shot here, because I don't know if you can see, but they are actually digging a trench right along the side of here. I did wonder why the walls hadn't come down as such, but there's a massive trench, and of course they've been doing quite a lot of work down at the old Canada Creek Railway shed, and a trench has developed right the way along. It is a huge hive of activity down here, and as you can see there's quite a lot of supports around the other side which are being lifted off the truck, because there's going to be more going off. They're low level ones because they are gold, but there are also some white ones up there as well. And you can see this fantastic one here which attaches to the station, which goes in every which way direction. With so much happening, it's just insane. Every time we come, so much has happened. It's just unbelievable, it really is. panels are going on the side of the station this side, so it won't be long until we can't see what's going on underneath the station. Another support heading from left over to the station. I think there's a lot more supports to go in today. Now over at the station there is a lot going on. So this one here going across has just been installed, that's why it's still got straps on it. And it kind of branches out into lots of different areas, with this one here going right up. There are so many supports around the station area, branching off in every direction. Now, for the people watching the video, thank you very much for your support. It really does mean the world to us. You're not going to find clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails, loads of camera cuts in and out on this video. That's not what I'm about, I'm afraid. So, you know, I've been visiting theme parks for well over 35 years. I've been covering them for pretty much close to that as well. You know, started covering Thorpe Park from when Colossals were being built in 2001, so I'm not new to this, not a flash in the pan. Been very much doing this a long time, and I do this for me. I do this because I want to see them being constructed, because I absolutely find it fascinating in my spare time around my full-time job. Now then, if you kind of want to know how long we've been around, check out this video here. It's the only one available of the other 200-foot roller coaster at Thorpe Park, Stealth, being topped off. If you've enjoyed it, please drop it a like. Thank you very much for joining us here on UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.